first ever, at least recorded, BMW 128i that has a BMW 135i Berk Technology axleback race exhaust on it. As far as I know, no one has ever gotten the 135i exhaust retrofitted onto a BMW 128i. I will tell you right now that it does require some modification to the exhaust. About 3 inches has to be cut off of any aftermarket exhaust you put onto the car, and then you also have to cut off about 1 inch or 2 of the piping right behind the mufflers in the mid-pipe, and weld on new flanges in order to get the two put together. But I mean, look at what a difference. Polished tips, 3-inch tubing from the mid-pipes back. You can see that's what the exhaust looks like. And, it's a little too far back, but right there, that's the muffler, and you can see where the cutting and welding was done. So, but yeah, so. Thank you, Berk Technology, for giving me the exhaust, and thank you to the place that I had the work done. It's called The Shop. That's the name of the place, The Shop. It's in Norwalk, Connecticut, and they did a fantastic job. Finished it in about 3 hours, maybe even a little less. And I mean, it's perfect. The exhaust sounds fantastic. Inside the car, hear it. It's incredible. So I will definitely do a few driving videos when I have the opportunity to. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. More to come.